Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorial with Miss Carmen, Monday, July 24th, 2023. Okay, so guys, in this video, what we're gonna do is work want, need, and desire. It's a short video. Okay, want is querer, need is necesidad, necesita, and desire, desear. Okay, ambos pueden ser o sustantivo o verbo. They can be or verb or noun, okay? So in this case, el verbo, the verb, we use it as a verb. You always say, I want to buy a new house. I want to work. I want to go to the store. I want to travel. I want, right? I, they, you, we want. He, she, it wants. Tercera persona, right? You can say, my daughter wants to go to a party. Querer una fiesta. Wants. Querer, right? Wants. All right? Como sustantivo, like a noun, we say, like, my daughters, como posesivo, wants are many. O sea, quiere muchas cosas. My daughters, posesivos, wants are many, for example. Okay? Como want. And then we have el verbo, right? I wanted, she wanted to go to the party. Need is necesitar, right? Necesitar. What do we need? ¿Qué necesitamos? We need water to live. We need to work. We need love. Yes, we need many things to be in this world, right? We need, okay? We need to work. If you live in Houston, you need to have a car. There's no ifs, buts, or what. You need to have a car in Houston, Texas. In Texas, in general, you need to have a car. Okay? Noun como sustantivos. People's needs are many. Las necesidades de las personas son mucho, right? Necesidades, right? A baby's needs are many. A baby's needs are many. Las necesidades de un bebé, right? Okay? Need. So, necesidades y necesito, okay? Noun and verb. And desire is desear. It's stronger than want. Es más fuerte que este want, okay? I desire, deseo. Have to be careful. Tienen que tener cuidado con lo que deseas, right? Be careful with your desires. But it's a stronger intensity when you say, I desire to travel around the world. I desire to have a car, right? It was this, ese deseo that hopefully you will make come true. You'll make it come true, right? Lo vas a hacer realidad depending on what you're desiring. Okay? So, desear, deseos, desires, necesito, necesidades, right? Verb noun. Querer y quiero, right? I want, okay? Verb and noun. Want, need, and desire, okay? That's all for now. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day. See you in my next video.